Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free certification from ServiceNow. So here you can certified implementation specialist for the data foundation, CMDB and CSDM. So this is 100% free for the first attempt and you can save around the dollar of 300 to dollar of 450 USD. So ServiceNow CIS and DF, this is the certified implementation and specialist, and DF means the data foundation certification, and CMDB and CSDM, there's a full course. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So there is a data foundation certification and configuration management database and common service data model data. So looking for the advance your career with the ServiceNow, this video walk you through the certified implementation specialist data foundation CIS-DF course and focusing on CMDB and CSDM concept. So certification cost. So original cost typically around the 300 to 450 USD. There is a approx 25,000 to 37,000 approx with the tax and tax will be included on this. So current offer is the free certification via ServiceNow Learning, and this is a limited time, and retake fee if needed then approx about 100 USD they will take. So this will change. This may be changed with your time. So what you will learn? Foundational of CMDB, there is a configuration management database, and core concept of CSDM, there is a common service data model, and best practices for the data modeling in the ServiceNow implementation for the real world scenarios, key topics required to pass the CIS and DF certification. So who this is for? So ServiceNow developers and administrators, ITSM professional, then CIS-DM certification candidates, and anyone interested to CMDB and CSDB framework. So why this matter? So mastering the CMDB and CSDM is the essential for the building a strong ServiceNow foundation and delivering the scalable and efficient IT services. So course link is this one. Let me open the course link. And second is the blog post. So exam will be from the Pearson view and 1 hour 30 minutes. So certified implementation specialist. So this is certification. There is an option to log in to start. Before that, we'll go through the blog. So come to the blog. Here, CIS DM Foundation certification is live and free through the June 30th. So last date is June 30th. And we are excited to share this detail are there through June 30th 2026. You can take the proctorate exam for free, pass it, and you learn the CIS DM so certification along with the this digital badge. So all the details you will get here, and for the more details you come to the this page. So there is a all details are there. Exam fee are not refundable, and you can schedule your exam directly from the this page or the my exam page. So within 90 days you have to after registration you have to must schedule the exam for the appointment. So all the details are there. You can go through the step by step process. Now let me log in and schedule the exam. So click here to log in. Let me go through my email address. Click on next, password, click on sign in. So email authentication, so I'll get the code or authentication app. So I'm just going through the email authentication, or you have authentication app, then you can go through that one also. Let me check in my email. So 950988 950988. So click on submit. Now we have logged in, so we can schedule now. So here there is your option to schedule your registration name. You want to update your name, so you can update here. While registering, you have to provide this detail and register. After that, we will go through the this page. So this is a certification. So now click on schedule now, and about the exam, you will get all the details here. So redirect to the Pearson view. In person, you can go to the test center, and second option is on view online. So we are going to online, just click on next. So before online, prepare for the take the exam online. So there is your computer and your testing space. So room should be distraction free and private place, and your ID card. So ID card, there is a list of the ID card are there, and there is a check-in for the on view exam 30 minutes before your appointment time. Okay. So click on next. There is a two languages there. So we are going through the English. Click on next. There is a term and conditions for privacy policy processing. So click on all the check boxes. And now click on agree. So again click on next. If time zone is okay, then click on yes, this right. No times available. So go to the next month. Within 90 days, so up to June, up to July, we have a 26 registration date is today. So I'm going to align on 25th. Yes, explore more times. So click here, click there, night 11:50. So this is my time for the exam, and the check-in time is the 22:45. So just click on the book this appointment. Now click on next, and there is a option for the submit order. So click on submit order. So processing request, this is taking time. Wait for a few minutes. So your appointment is confirmed. So an order confirmation containing the exam details to this. Let me open my Gmail address. So meanwhile, so what is next? Run the system test. So this is very important if you are going to give the exam online from your home, and check-in time, other details you can find there. And there's a term and condition, schedule policy, and there is a purchase, examination detail, minimum requirements, and take the 5 minutes to run for the system test. And here you can see so ServiceNow and all the details and registration ID and other details. Exam appointment length is 90 minutes. So all the details there's they have sent and with the appointment date. Okay. So this is the process. So step by step, we have gone through this one. So 100% free, save around 300 to 450 USD dollar, and ServiceNow CIS and DF certification. This is a certified implementation specialist certification for the data foundation certification and configuration management database and common service data model. So we have gone through the step by step process, and the course link is given there. A disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational and informational purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.